Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well so far today. We're going to start with the series for PAWANMUKTASANA, which is a series which helps to release energy blockages in our body. And this one is the first of the series. So very simple. Anyone can do this. And you really, every once in a while, it's great to just throw this into your practice, and that helps to make sure that all of our joints get circulation and release energy blockages. So we'll start with our feet. So just sitting nice and tall, you want to actually roll your ankles. Roll your ankles. All right. This is the first in the series where we move all of our joints, getting our energy moving and just releasing tension throughout the body. So roll in both directions. Roll in both directions, and then push out the toes and push out the heels. Push out the toes and push out the heels. Push out the toes and push out the heels. And you also want to wriggle your toes. You want to wriggle your toes. So our feet are the basis for all of our movement, especially when we're standing. So you really want to take care of them and make sure there's no energy blockages there. We're going to bring one leg in, and you're just going to pull it in and just push down over here. Just push down on the knee, bring it up, give it a hug. Push down, bring it up, give it a hug. Once more, push down, bring it up, give it a hug. We're going to switch out feet, pull this in, push down on the knee here. And it doesn't matter how far down your knee gets, you just want to push wherever you're comfortable. If your knee is here, that's fine, push here, wherever it goes. If it doesn't come up here, your foot, and it comes here, that's fine as well. So you want to do it wherever you are able to do it comfortably without pain. Pull it in, push down, pull it in, push down, pull it in. Nice. We're going to hold our leg from underneath, and you're going to make circles with your knees. Make circles with your knees. And then circle in the other direction. So you're just kind of cranking the knee joint here a little bit. And send it out. Come back up on the other side. And you're going to roll 3 or 4 rotations in each direction. 3 or 4 rotations in each direction. Nice. You're going to pull both of your feet together as close to your body as you can get. Lengthen the spine, and then just do butterfly for a little bit. Opening up in the groin and hips. Letting that energy release. We hold a lot of energy in that area, and you really need to release that tension. We hold emotions in our joints. We need to let that go. And then you're going to go ahead, sitting comfortably, grab your knees, and you're going to move your spine. Just move your spine back and forth a little bit, releasing energy. Opening up any blockages, causing circulation. Hands on the shoulders. You're going to go ahead and make giant circles with your elbows. And even though this seems very simple and very benign, all of these are so critical to our continued movement. And then go ahead and extend your hands out in front of you. Tuck in the thumbs, fold in the fingers, roll your wrists. And then roll your wrists in the opposite direction. And then go ahead and come back. Give yourself a nice breath. And we're going to take our chin over one shoulder, opposite shoulder. Take your chin up and bring your chin down to your chest. Take it over one shoulder, opposite shoulder. Take your chin up and down to your chest. Beautiful. Just go ahead and roll your head over your shoulders. In both directions, 2 or 3 times. Nice. And this is just series 1 for PAWANMUKTASANA. It simply allows you to move, make sure that your joints are all releasing any tension and feel lubricated. So, thank you so much. In the second part of PAWANMUKTASANA, again, these are all simple exercises meant to give a little bit of movement and energy to all parts of our body. And so in the second part, we really focus on the digestive system here. In the first part, we focused just on the joints and the skeletal system. Simple for anyone to do. You can do it in a chair or a bed. In the second series, you do need to be out on a mat nice and long. So we start with our spinal rolls. And we've done these before. So you're going to take your knees and just hug them into your chest and roll back and forth a couple of times. And once more. You're going to come back. And we're going to go ahead and come out into boat pose. So in this one, you're really using your abdominal muscles to do this move. You're going to recline back, legs up, arms out, and just hold this for 5 soft inhales and exhales. Pull in, and just go ahead and grab your knees, move the spine back and forth. We're going to repeat that. Remember, this set of movements is for the digestive system mainly. Go ahead and lie back, legs up, and breathe. Pull in, grab your shins, and move your spine back and forth. Okay, in the next one, we're going to lie down, and this is a twist for the belly and the spine. So in this next one, we're going to lie back, pull one knee into the chest. So you're going to pull in the left knee, extend the left arm, and then pull the left knee across to the right and turn your head to the left. Inhale, come back up. Extend the leg out, opposite side. Right leg comes up, right arm out. Pull the knee across to the left and look to the right. Inhale, come on back up. And we're gonna pull our right knee into the chest, hugging it in as tightly as you can. And then you're gonna switch feet, pull the left leg in, giving it a nice hug as tightly as you can. We're gonna pull both our legs in, pulling them into the belly, compressing the belly as you pull in. Continuing with our PAWANMUKTASANA series, you're going to go ahead and cycle now. So move your hands under your hips, and you're going to cycle and then reverse direction on your cycle. And then finish off with pulling the knees into the chest. Go ahead and extend your legs back out. We're going to raise one leg up, release down. Raise the other one, release down. Raise, release. 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 Doing that 5 to 10 times on each side. And then finishing off, hugging the knees into the chest again. Roll yourself up. The next one is a little tougher. The best way to do this one is to place a rolled, so if you're comfortable squatting, go ahead and squat. If you need a little bit of help, you're going to take your mat, roll it under your ankles, and then come into a full squat so that your ankles are resting on the mat, holding you up. This next one is called wood chopper, and you'll see why. You're going to interlace your hands out in front of you, and then take your arms up, take your gaze up, exhale down, up and down. And thank you so much for watching this series of PAWANMUKTASANA. That was the second series, and that's all for your abdominal system, your digestive system. Thank you so much.